Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make audio publics Roblox. So first step is go to Google and log in to Roblox platform. Simply go to Roblox website. Now once you've done it, click create above. Then once you're inside this interface, go to development items and simply click audio. Simply, in here, click upload asset. Just upload your desired audio here. Then, once you're done, click upload. Just wait for a few seconds and it will be uploaded. Now, simply repeat the process. Go to development items and see to your audio that has been published. Just click the audio that you've uploaded. As you can see, we can put it on public due to Roblox restriction. Simply contact support about it. I hope this video helps you.